a lot of times people call and they're like, hey, what are the window options? Okay. And for the most part, like 90% of people go back with the same type ones they have in their home today. So if you have whatever type of home you have, if every home in the street has a double hung window, 9 out of 10 times people are going back with double hung windows there. Okay. If everyone in your home in the neighborhood has casement windows, we generally go back with casement windows because people are trying to meet the architecture of their existing neighborhood. Okay. What really comes down to a lot of times is, do you want grids or no grids? That's probably the biggest architectural decision is, do you want to see grids in your windows or not? And again, a lot of it comes down to the type of, most newer homes do not have grids. Most older homes do. And so if you've always had grids, you want to go back with them. It's trying to figure out, do you want grids between the glass, which are much easier to clean, you don't touch or feel them, or there's the SDLs, which are basically simulated divided lights because old school, each piece of glass was one individual piece of glass. And so when you go with the SDLs, it mimics the kind of old school, old world charm. And so, but those windows might cost $500, $800 more per window. And so for the homeowners, it's just trying to balance what's the look you want and then what's your budget. Because going with that product can cost a lot more money. But if that's the look you're going for, we have plenty of clients who do that, especially on older homes built in the 40s, 50s, and 60s. When people talk about different windows, I mean, double hung window probably makes up 80% of all windows that are installed. And so we are doing more and more casement windows where people want more natural light. It's a little bit safer to have a casement window. And they also don't want to, they don't want to see any obstructed grids like the bar across the double hung. They do cost more money. And then a lot of times they don't necessarily fit the neighborhood that they're in. And so normally if all your neighbors have double hung windows, for the most part, people want to go back with that window. But we do see some people want to go into casements. It's a little bit newer trend that we're seeing. It'll be interesting to see if that continues in 2025 and 2026, or if that's something that was, very popular and now it's kind of out of flavor.